What is going on, guys? For some reason my lens keeps like fogging up, and hopefully it doesn't fog up too much more. But today I am going to my first Florida car meet and I'm pretty excited. Now I saw a few sources and they all gave different times. Like one said like 3 o'clock, one said 4, one said 6, one said 8, and it's like 4 o'clock now, so we're gonna hope that it's 4 o'clock and hopefully I can get some good footage for you. Hopefully it's not too windy, so hopefully you guys can hear what I have to say, because I want to try to vlog most of it. It's kind of different because it's super duper sunny and it's not cold, so it's gonna be better than the last car meet I went to. So let's get on the way. So it looks like I'm a bit early. I guess it doesn't start fully until 6 or closer. I left a little bit before 4, so maybe more people show up. But it's kind of weird because so far I'm the only non-American car here, and every other car here is at least like 30 years old. So I have the newest car here and the only non-American car here. I don't fit in at all. Put out some tweets, and Robbie Ferreira commented back on the thing I commented on his post. Not gonna brag or anything, it's pretty cool to me. I also might have had to register and I didn't, but I'm also not sure if I had to because online it didn't say anything about that. So I'm non-American, not a classic, and I'm also probably the youngest dude here by like 40 years too. This is not the car show I was expecting. I wanna see some cool JDMs, man. Not, well, I like classic cars and all, but I wanna see some cool JDMs. You guys use the Motocrush app? Because I did, and I am the only one checked in here. Let's hope more people come, because I don't want to be the only JDM here. I don't want to be the only BRZ at the meet. There's always one BRZ at the meet, and I think I might be that guy. So far, I'm that guy. I hope someone else shows up, so I'm not that guy, but I might be that guy. This guy just hit a cone. You drive this, how did you hit the cone? Simple fix, he just moved the cone. Guess that's one way to do it. So they're starting to get more cars here, and I've seen about 4 loud WRXs drive by. Not one of them has stopped in. I was kind of hoping one of them would have, so I had to have some super buddies here. But it's not looking very likely. The closest Japanese car I had to me was a Toyota truck. The only reason it was close to me is because it was a Toyota, and that's not American. That guy's not parking next to me? Wait, no, he is. He's coming. We finally got another JDM, guys. I'm gonna stop sitting in my car waiting for more cars to come. I'm just gonna start looking at the classics that are here, because we got some cool looking cars, so I'm gonna go look at them. Other JDM guy parked right across the street from me, or across the parking lot. So I'm gonna go look at some cars. So I'll be right back. So there's nothing really too crazy cool here right now. The guy told me that it'd be more stuff later. I'm just gonna hang out by my car. Hopefully some more people like my age come with Japanese cars. There's one car with a really big turbo in it, but he said it's only making 400 horsepower, and I would expect to do a lot more out of it, but I don't know. Definitely looking at these cars, you know, I don't think I would ever really get into muscle cars. There's 2 Challengers here that are like newer Challengers, and like a 14 Mustang. Those are like the newest cars that are actually here. But like looking at them, I don't know if I'd ever actually want to drive one of those. I like classic cars, I like muscle cars, but my heart really belongs with like Japanese imports and stuff. There's one car that I would consider that's an American car, and it'd be a C6 Corvette, because I think that'd be a really cool build to do. But other than that, I'm not really a classic car or like a muscle car kind of guy. The one thing with older crowds that's unfortunate with me is they're all here for these classic cars, and they're all here for Chevys and Fords or Dodge, and they're very like brand loyal. And you can tell that because the people that pull in the Chevys, they're not talking to anyone else but the other people that have Chevys here. No one here is like relatively close to my age except for the guy that drove the 240 in, and they're not really gonna want to see my car at all. So I think this car show might have been a bit of a bust for me, but I'm sure I'll find something else around that's caters more towards what I want with Japanese cars. You can't win every car show, you know what I'm saying? I gotta tell you, I was not lying about this Florida heat. It's super hot. Like, I had my air on full blast, I'm pretty sure I was still sweating because it's so hot here. Florida, man, I don't know how you guys live here. It's so hot. I'm going to attract people to me by opening my hood. That will make people curious of what I'm running. That is my master plan to get people into my car. There's also a lot of cops here. I guess that's kind of normal for car shows, but I heard that cops are really like brutal towards car shows. So hopefully I don't get stopped on my way home. The coolest Viper just rolled in, and I hope that he parks near me. I don't feel like getting up to walk. It's like 100 degrees out here. I got told it's the smallest turnout they ever really have, probably because it's so hot today. Usually it's a lot cooler when they have these. It's in the winter, these places completely pop, and they have 200 cars here and these 3 parking lots, but it's probably way too hot today for people. Apparently people that own Dodge Vipers don't like talking about their cars and they're not very nice people. Who would have thought? So I got told on Mondays there is a street scene night here. So I think I should come back on a Monday and not be here at a day of all classic cars because I'm not a classic car person. And I'm low-key disappointed in that guy's Celica because it's an automatic. Really cool Corvette ZR1 came in and he just scoped everything out and just left. Right here, I'm driving away. I think I'm gonna head out of here and then probably come back on a Monday night where it's actually JDM and race cars. It was definitely cool to find a car show spot because now I know that they have car shows here, so when I do want to go to one, they have them here. The guy in the 240 was telling me that, yeah, street scene is a more of a low-key sort of thing that they do on Monday nights here. So I'm probably gonna have to check it out again on a Monday night because it'd be more cars that I like. He drives a classic 240, so that's why he comes to these because he said he wants to. So I'm gonna have to come back here on a Monday night. So hopefully then it'll be more cars that I like that are more similar to mine, so I have more to show you guys. I'm not sure if you guys are into classic cars. I'm not a big fan of them. I like them, but you know what I mean, right? So I'm definitely have to come back here on a Monday. All right, guys, I'm gonna leave you guys off here. Hopefully the next time I go to a car show, it's a little bit more interesting with cars that I'm into, so I can talk to the owners more and maybe make some car friends. That was a really loud S13 that just drove by. But hopefully we can make some car friends out here. Hopefully we can get some other YouTubers that I find. We'll really see. So I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out, comment, like, subscribe, do all the fun shit. Keep doing you guys, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.